Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I be comparing two popular e-commerce platforms Shopify and Wix. After conducting extensive research and testing both platforms, I ultimately choose Shopify for my e-commerce business. In this video, I share the reason behind my discussion and the key factor you should consider when making your choose. Please note that this video is not sponsored by either company. I am simply sharing my personal opinion and experience. However, if you are interested in trying Shopify, I will include a link in the description offering a deal of $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is not available directly on their website. Let's dive in. The main difference between Shopify and Wix lies in that their organized Shopify was designed specifically for e-commerce, where Wix started as a content-based website builder and later added e-commerce feature. Shopify is an excellent option for beginner or those looking to scale thanks to its extensive range of over 6,000 app integration that work seamlessly with more than 100 them and template design. Your store is straightforward with Shopify and intuitive drag and drop store builder. Additionally, all plans include 24/7 customer support, making the step process is as smooth as possible. Wix, on the other hand, offer plan across four categories: website, business, e-commerce, and enterprise. If you are running an online store, you I need to choose from the business and e-commerce plan to enable online payment. Wix allow you to up to 50,000 products, more than sufficient for more business, but lack unlimited product option. Wix provides our 800 template, a drag and drop editor, and a custom domain name for free for 1 year. However, editing Wix template can Wix website less optimized for smartphone, meaning you I need a separate mobile site. Shopify, in contrast, automatically optimize its template for mobile device and create a redirect link for move page, making it a more SEO friendly. Shopify also support SEO integration for advanced insight, while Wix offer SEO tool like SEO Wiz and SEO dashboard and integration with SEMrush for keyword research. When it comes to transaction fees and payment gateway, Shopify payment and Wix offer Wix payment using this built-in gateway avoid transaction fees, but third-party gateway on Shopify can incur up to 5% fees depending on your plan. Wix allow free third-party payment, but only in USD and lack multi-currency checkout option. Where Shopify support multi-currency checkout via its Shopify Market app. The tax collection is another critical aspect. Shopify automatically collects tax for user across all plans. Wix offer automatic tax collection through a third-party app called Avalera. This feature is limited to certain plan with cap on the number of collection per month. Shopify also offer a physical point of sale system for all plan. Expect the starter plan enable real-time inventory update and through card reader connected to mobile device. Wix pose feature introduced recently is only available to select user in the US and Canada. Price is another key consideration. Wix offer a free plan, but its functionality is limited for e-commerce purpose. Shopify does not have a free plan but offer a 3-day free trial and a discount introductory package for $3 for 90 day once then their trial ends. Shopify main plan include the basic plan at $90 per month, the standard plan at $49 per month, and the advanced plan $299 per month. You can switch between plan as your business grow and receiving 25% discount for annual payment. That wrap for today video. If you found in this information useful, please like the video, subscribe for more content. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments, and remember, if you decide to try Shopify, use the link in the description for any exclusive $1 month deal for 90 days. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.